Hey guys, it's Lane with Diamond C. I'm here with,
Caleb Peronimus.
and you are with?
Wil-Ro truck bodies.
All right, man. Hey, why don't you tell us a little bit about your company?
Okay, yeah. So Wil-Ro was established in 1973. We initially started out making horse gates for the Kentucky Derby. So that's kind of a neat little thing I always throw in. And then we started making trailers, and then we really got into flatbeds about 10 years ago. And so we've been really pushing the flatbed series. So
That's awesome, man. From what I see around me, you guys are doing a good job.
thank
So,
you.
how's the trade show going?
Man, it's going great. Yesterday was a great first day. A lot of foot traffic, people stopping by, a lot of interest in our flatbeds and landscape lines, and also our two prototype adventure trailers. So just great getting to see everybody and touching base. So.
That's awesome, man. I'm going to ask you a few more questions if you don't mind. How has the supply chain this year? I know it's been crazy for everyone, more than others, but how's it been for you guys this year?
Yes, so February and March hit, and you definitely saw COVID hit hard.
Yes,
so whether that be supply chain on steel or toolboxes, lights, you name it. So we did, I think everybody was affected by that, right? But we got through it, and June started looking a lot better for us, and we've been able to settle the dust since then. So
That's awesome, man. We're all just trying to make the best out of what we're putting in right now.
Absolutely.
So, anything new, anything you guys are working on that you could talk to us about?
We're continuously seeking to grow our distributor base. Man, we believe we have one of the highest quality beds on the market, and we want to get it out there. So we're looking for distributors, growing that diligently. And then, of course, our prototype on the adventure trailer is something new we're trying to step into, hoping for like Q3, Q4 of 2022 to maybe start production on those. So.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. I don't know if you've had time really to enjoy the nightlife, enjoy Nashville. Has there been any experiences that you would say were pretty neat that you've experienced this week?
Yeah, so I guess being here local, I'm just 30 minutes away, so I get to make it over here to Nashville often. But Broadway's always a ton of fun. It's always great hear about what everybody did the night before, and a lot of good food, a lot of good time. So, absolutely.
Well, man, it sounds awesome. I couldn't agree with you more. I appreciate your time today, man, and hope to see you around.
Yeah, thank you guys
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Thank you.